So you tried to upload your rigged character in Mixamo. You clicked on this. Not much helpful. You tried searching it on. Enough of this. I'll show you 3 ways to solve this issue with bonus tips. Before throwing your computer away, let's start with number 1. Simplify the character. Try removing all extra props. अगर तुम्हारे पास एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉप्स है तो तुम उनको हटाकर एक्सपोर्ट करके देख सकते हो. Try to make the character bounding region to center. Number 2. Merge by distance. Select all the separate meshes and merge by distance. Number 3. The hard way. Orient your bones correctly in the edit mode. Select each and every bone and manually adjust them. जैसे कि मैं इधर कर रहा हूँ. चेक लेफ्ट राइट नेमिंग. एग्जाम्पल के लिए तुम ब्लेंडर का ह्यूमन आर्मेचर ले सकते हो. डिलीट एक्स्ट्रा बोन. अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई भी बोन्स एक्स्ट्रा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस कैरेक्टर में हर एक बोन 2 करके थे with slightly different names. So go to your pose mode and check each and every one of them. जो भी bones pose mode में काम नहीं कर रहे उन सबको डिलीट कर दो. And yes, this is time consuming. If you have done all of this and that doesn't fixes the issue, this is the right time to throw your PC. Bonus tips. Priority order. First, check extra bones. Second, delete unnecessary props. Third, orientation and naming. Fourth, merge by distance. If you are not using a rigged character, then the bounding region trick will fix your character offset. And let me know which trick solves your problem. If it helps, please like the video. If you want to see more of my content, then suggest some video in the comment. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and try. The video ended. I'll just go and search the problem.